hold breath and take 10 sips of water. 40. Okay. I actually usually can get rid of them with just by holding my breath. Dingo ate your baby. We were just looking at a band with that name.
Yeah, we were.
I tickle
Buffy.
the roof of my tongue. The top of
what?
my
You
palate.
tickle what?
I tickle the top of my palate with my
Say
tongue.
that slowly, please.
I tickle the roof of my mouth with my tongue, like this, like just behind your teeth. It can. Have you ever tickled that spot?
Mm-mm.
Try
Usually
it right now. Everybody do it right now. Take your tongue and just tickle that ridgy part.
No, behind your
behind
teeth.
your
behind. I only knew how to do
Gently
do it
and
outside.
slow, like foreplay.
Oh yeah.
Like sex. Okay.
yeah,
It tickles a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Not me.
So if you
but-
go further back behind your palate, it's like a V that opens up, and if you like stroke that, it's supposed to.
My autistic brain
it's
is like
always
making
good to
everything
stroke
itch in
the
there
V
now.
with your tongue. Yes.
Supposed to
We know
cure your
this.
Hiccups. Of course,
Stroke-
this is how Kacey.
Slowly stroke the V with your tongue.
What?
That's what you're
is
saying.
wrong with? Yes, you have to
Okay.
give yourself oral.
Yes, that's
Orally.
orally oral.
You have to
Boy.
orally.
My back
Oh,
doesn't work.
this is so meta. It's
Oh.
meta oral.
Anywho.
All right.
You just have to.
No, you have no,
deeper.
Aaron. No, it's got to be gentle, or else
Gentle.
you'll hurt yourself. You'll hurt your tongue.
I can do tongue push-ups. So anyway,
Oh, we got to move on because I've been celibate for 3 years.
Maybe.
oh my.
Let's go. No, moving on.
Okay.
Moving
Wayne
on.
laughing at his own Okoya jokes, but you can only see his eyes because of how the scene was shot. So it's just his eyes, but he's laughing. I love that part. Deeper, gentle tongue strokes. Yep.
Ah.
There you go.
That's legit.
There you go.
Say that again. No, just kidding.
Yep.
Deeper, gentle
Oh.
tongue strokes.
Longer.